What if I told you that while everyone's sitting on the sidelines worried about tariffs and mortgage rates, I helped a family save $65,000 on their dream home by taking advantage of today's buyer's market? With inventory sitting longer and homes selling at an average of 98% of list price, this is actually the perfect time to buy if you know the right strategies. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how we did it, plus the mortgage bonus tip that saved them thousands more. Let me tell you about the Johnson family. They'd been hesitant to enter the market like many buyers today, worried about tariff impacts on the economy and uncertain where mortgage rates are heading. But while others were paralyzed by fear, they decided to take action in what's actually become a fantastic buyer's market. Here's the reality nobody's talking about. We have significantly more inventory than we've seen in years, and the average home is now selling for just 98% of list price. That means sellers are accepting below asking price offers regularly. Fear has created massive opportunity for smart buyers who understand how to navigate this market. Here's where strategy beats emotion every single time. Instead of continuing the bidding war cycle, we completely changed our approach. Key strategy number one, leveraging high inventory markets. With inventory levels at multi-year highs and homes selling at 98% of list price on average, we had significant negotiating power. We identified a beautiful four-bedroom home in Mississauga that had been on the market for 67 days, originally listed at $915,000. In today's market, anything over 30 days signals a motivated seller ready to negotiate below that 98% average. Key strategy number two, strategic below market offers. Knowing the market average is 98% of list price, we came in significantly lower at $850,000. That's 93% of asking price. While most buyers are getting small discounts, we targeted a property where we could go well below market average due to the extended days on market. Key strategy number three, professional home inspection leverage. During the inspection, we discovered some minor electrical updates were needed, estimated at about $8,000. Instead of walking away, we negotiated a $10,000 credit at closing, actually putting them ahead. Key strategy number four, comparative market analysis deep dive. I provided detailed comparables showing that while the average home sells for 98% of list price, homes in this specific area that had been on the market longer were accepting offers between 92% to 95% of asking. This data gave us confidence to negotiate aggressively and provided solid leverage in our discussions. Key strategy number five, creative financing structure. We structured the deal with a longer inspection period, which gave the sellers confidence we were serious buyers, not just fishing for information to use elsewhere. The result? They got their dream home for $850,000, saving $65,000 from the original asking price. While the average buyer saves just 2% off list price, we saved them over 7%. This is the power of buying strategically when others are fearful. If you're finding value in this content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss these money-saving real estate strategies. And if you know someone navigating their own home buying journey who could benefit from these insights, share this video with them. Your support helps me continue bringing you these real-world success stories and actionable tips. Now, here's the bonus I promised. With all the uncertainty about mortgage rates and economic impacts from potential tariffs, many buyers are waiting for the perfect time. But here's what I did for the Johnson family that saved them even more money. Instead of waiting for rates to potentially drop further, we locked in a 4.1% rate with a lender offering a free rate hold for 120 days. This protected them against any rate increases while giving flexibility if rates dropped. We also structured it with the option to convert to variable if economic conditions improve. The key insight? In uncertain markets, certainty has value. While others debate whether rates will hit 4% or 6%, we secured predictable payments and moved forward. This mortgage strategy, combined with buying in a slow market, positioned them perfectly regardless of what happens with tariffs or economic policy changes. Listen, while everyone's paralyzed by fear about tariffs, mortgage rates, and economic uncertainty, smart buyers are recognizing this as the opportunity of a lifetime. High inventory, motivated sellers, and competitive mortgage products create perfect conditions for those willing to act. Every situation is unique, and navigating today's market requires someone who understands both the real estate landscape and mortgage complexities in our current economic climate. That's why I offer personalized consultations where we can assess your specific situation and create a strategy that works regardless of what happens with trade policies or interest rates. Whether you're a first time buyer taking advantage of this slower market, looking to upgrade while you have negotiating power, or considering mortgage restructuring in this rate environment, I'm here to help. As a licensed Level 2 mortgage agent and realtor serving the entire GTA, I can help you capitalize on today's unique market conditions. Book a free consultation through my Calendly link in the description below. We'll discuss how to turn market uncertainty into your competitive advantage and create a personalized plan for your real estate goals. Don't let fear keep you from the opportunities that others are missing. Stay savvy, stay informed, stay knowledgeable, and until next time, may your investments flourish and your dreams of homeownership become a reality. Catch you in the next one.